I'm sorry for my anger at Paulo Cruzada because this guy he's really needs to learn a lesson because he has nothing to do whatever he likes. He bullied the teacher Marbil, and Paulo Cruzada, better luck see her in court. Oh, you said it. Oh, we will see you in the court. Oh. And you know what, Paulo Cruzada? Oh, look. Oh, what you did to her? Oh, ay, sorry. This is the evidence. Oh, oh. Paulo Cruzada, you don't really know what you're doing. Like I said to you, Paulo Cruzada, kailan ka ba titinaw, Paulo Cruzada? When you're gonna learn a lesson? Oh, like I said before, if you harass Teacher Marbil, she will get sued against you. Madidemanda ka pa, Paulo Cruzada. Paulo Cruzada, Teacher Marbil, she's a friend of all of us. Me, Buddy Castro, Jens Manaid, Rafa Soco, even everyone. We are all friends. Don't do that to her. Because, someday, Paulo Cruzada, you will regret of your consequence. Oh, do not slander Teacher Marbil. Even her husband, John Archu Matthew Bernal. Like I said, this is really stupid. And one more thing, Paulo Cruzada. If you don't really how to stop, like I said to you, oh, I will shoot you a pellet gun into your eye. Oh, one more harassment of Teacher Marbil, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, do you see this? If you don't really how to stop, oh, I will shoot you a pellet gun, you son of a bitch, Paulo Cruzada. Paulo Cruzada, you're enacting yourself, you're an asshole. Like I said to you, putang ina mo, Paulo Cruzada. You don't really how to stop because you are a bully. Because you are a bully. You did it to Teacher Marbil. Teacher Marbil is nothing to do anything against you. Oh, why did you do that to her, Paulo Cruzada? Oh, just like I said before, oh, when Capitana says to me, oh, if you harass anyone, if you harass anybody, oh, the people are going to sue to you, against you. Oh, that's just like what she said before. Oh, madidemanda ka pa. Oh, this is what I say to you, Paulo Cruzada. Paulo Cruzada and your family member, Kulas, Mr. Kulas Cruzada and Mrs. Marion Cruzada, you need to lecture your son that his behavior. Mga putang ina kayo, Kulas Cruzada and Marion Cruzada, the parents of Paulo Cruzada. Fuck both of you.